Hi friends, today let us discuss combination of no sooner than. Okay, combine the two past actions with no sooner than. For example, the two past actions are I put my phone down, I put my phone down, it rang again. Okay, these are the two past actions. I put my phone down, I put my phone down, it rang again. I put my phone down, one past action, one simple past sentence. It rang again, another simple past tense, another simple past tense sentence. That means two completed actions. Both the actions are completed. So both the actions are given in simple past tense. So let us combine these two sentences by using no sooner than. Okay, to write this combination, we should follow the sentence formation. No sooner had plus subject verb 3 object. No sooner had subject verb 3 object and subject verb 2 object. Okay, no sooner than. Combine these two past actions with no sooner than. The sentence formation is, the sentence structure is no sooner had subject verb 3 object. So the first completed action, the first action should be expressed in simple past perfect tense. Subject had verb 3 object. Next, as usually, the second past action is in simple past tense. No sooner had subject verb 3 object. Next, subject verb 2 object. Okay. Now begin with no sooner had subject. What is the subject? I. No sooner had I put my phone down. 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 It rang again. నేను ఫోన్ కింద పెట్టిన వెంటనే మళ్ళీ ఫోన్ రింగ్ అయ్యింది. ఓకే, నో సూనర్ దాన్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ ఆఫ్టర్ one action completed, immediately another action happened. Okay, when the first action is completed, వెరీ సూన్ ఇమీడియట్లీ అనదర్ యాక్షన్ హ్యాపెన్. రెండు పనులు వెంటనే, ఒక పని జరిగిన వెంటనే ఇంకొక పని జరగడం. నో సూనర్, ఎక్కువ టైం తీసుకోకుండా వెంటనే రెండు పనులు జరిగిపోతే, రెండు పాస్ట్ యాక్షన్స్ వెంటనే జరిగిన రెండు పాస్ట్ యాక్షన్స్ ని మనం ఈ కాంబినేషన్ లో చెప్తాం. కాంబినేషన్ ఆఫ్ నో సూనర్ దాన్. ఓకే, సో నో సూనర్ హ్యాడ్ ఐ పుట్ మై ఫోన్ డౌన్ than, here we should write than. Okay, no sooner had I put my phone down than it rang again. Rang again. So one more example, one more sentence. I closed the door. Someone knocked the door. Someone knocked the door. I closed the door. Someone knocked the door. Okay, so one action. I closed the door. Immediately when someone pushed the door. When someone knocked the door. So these two past actions are combined with no sooner than. Now we should begin with no sooner. As usually, had subject I. No sooner had I closed the door. No sooner had I closed the door than someone. Someone means evaro okaru. We don't know exactly. Someone knocked the door. someone knocked the door. Okay, combination of no sooner than. Combination of no sooner than. The sentences are the first example. The first sentence is I put my phone down, it rang again. Here two past actions. I put my phone down, it rang again. So no sooner, the sentence formation, the structure in this combination is no sooner had subject verb 3 object. No sooner had subject verb 3 object. Again simple past tense subject verb 2 object. Now the sentence no sooner had I put my phone down than it rang again. Than it rang again. Next the second example. I closed the door. Someone knocked the door. I closed the door. Someone knocked the door. So now begin with no sooner. No sooner had I closed the door. No sooner had I closed the door than someone knocked the door. Okay. These are the examples for the combination of no sooner than. Thank you for watching my video. Please, if you like my video, share it and subscribe my channel. Once again, thank you very much for your support. Please subscribe for more videos. Thank you one and all.